Good morning, students. Today we discuss some important formulas and its proofs and some examples in the indefinite integrations. Okay. So today our formula is by using of substitution method we can prove that formula. Integration of 1 by square root of a square minus x square into dx. Okay. So this formula is sine inverse of x by a plus c. Sine inverse of x by a plus c. Suppose if you put a equal to 1, if you put a equal to 1, you will get the standard formula, integration of 1 by square root of 1 minus x square into dx. So this formula is sine inverse of x by 1, that means sine inverse of x plus c. Already we have the proof also. Okay, already we derived this. So that means you are getting the standard formula. So in the place of 1, suppose if I am taking a square, so actually this is our formula, sine inverse of x by a plus c. Okay, so today, okay, we just proved this formula. Proof: integration of square root of 1 by square root of a square minus x square into dx. So by using substitution method, here I am taking the let x equal to a sin theta. For the substitution method, here I am taking that let x equal to a sin theta. So dx equal to a into sin theta differentiation is cos theta into d theta. Okay, you just submit these values in the given. Okay, submit. Okay, so this is the LHS. Integration of 1 by square root of a square, it is a constant, x square means a square sin square theta. What is the dx? Dx value is a cos theta into d theta. Here you just observe that I am taking that x equal to a sin theta. That means sin theta equal to, I can take that x by a, theta equal to sin inverse x by a. Okay, that means I am using these values later. Dx equal to a cos theta into d theta. Okay, so here I will take that square root of, if I am taking a square is the common, 1 minus sin square theta into a cos theta into d theta. So 1 by a square differentiation, that means square root value of a square is a. 1 minus sin square theta, that means cos square theta. Cos square theta square root value is cos theta. In numerator also I am having the a cos theta into d theta. Both will get cancelled. So integration of theta equal to theta plus c. So what is the theta? Theta is sin inverse of x by a plus c. So this is the RHS. Okay, the proof is very simple by using substitution process. Okay, so important formula, integration of 1 by square root of a square minus x square into dx. So what is that formula? Sin inverse of x by a plus c. Okay, so this is the proof. Okay, from this formula you can derive the standard formula also. Understand? So this is the proof. Now we can prove, just we have to do one problem on this formula. Okay, right. So now I'm erasing this. Here I'm writing the formula, integration of 1 by square root of a square minus x square into dx. Okay. Our value is sin inverse of x by a plus c. I will use this formula, okay, in proper time. So here I am taking the one problem, integration of 1 by square root of 1 plus x minus x square into dx. Okay, I am choosing one problem using of this formula. I am choosing one problem. Okay, for this proof here I am taking that 1 by square root of, in this place I am taking minus is the common, x square minus x minus 1 into dx. Integration of 1 by square root of, because x square coefficient should be positive, so that's why here I am taking the minus is the common. A square minus 2 into a into b value is 1 by 2. That means in this place I am taking multiply and divide by 2. And I am taking that, if you observe that a square minus 2ab, in the place of b what you are having, 1 by 2. So plus b square minus b square, okay, minus 1 dx. Okay, here only we have to concentrate. Plus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4, okay, that cancel, 2 get cancel, x square minus x minus 1, I am getting as it is. So why we are taking like this, I am just simple, okay, I will explain you. A square minus 2a, a value is x, b value is, that means here I am multiply by 2, so that's why divide by 2. What is the b value? 1 by 2. B value is 1 by 2. Compulsory, if you want to write the a minus b whole square or a plus b whole square, compulsory plus b square we need. So plus b square minus b square. I am adding and subtracting the b square value. Remaining value is same. Now you can write that minus of up to this three terms. I can write that minus of x minus 1 by 2 whole square, x minus 1 by 2 whole square, minus 5 by 4, minus 5 by 4, minus 1 by 4, minus 1 is minus 5 by 4. So if you multiply by minus in the square root, minus of minus it will becomes plus 5 by 4 minus x minus 1 by 2 whole square into dx. Understand? So it is in the form of a square minus x square. This is the first degree polynomial. So you can consider like that also, no problem. I will write like this, integration of 1 by square root of 5 by 4, I can write that root 5 by 2 whole square minus x minus 1 by 2 whole square. Okay, now you just observe that in the place of a you are having root 5 by 2. In the place of x you are having x minus 1 by 2. It is also first degree polynomial. So I will directly apply the formula. Our answer is sin inverse of x by a. In the place of x I am having this value. In the place of a I am having root 5 by 2. Okay, plus c. So sin inverse of 2x minus 1 by 2 root 5 by 2. 2 get cancelled, plus c. So our final answer is sin inverse of 2x minus 1 by root 5 plus c. Okay, so this is our final answer. This is our final answer. In this problem, I am using the formula of this one, integration of 1 by square root of a square minus x square, okay, into dx. What is our formula? Sin inverse of x by a plus c. Okay, so these are the steps. This is the most important step. Compulsory x square coefficient you just take, you should be put x square coefficient positive. If any minus is there, you just take minus is the common. You just do the procedures in the brackets only. Okay, a square minus 2ab. Okay, just multiplication and divide by 2 like that. 2ab. You will get the some idea what is the b. Compulsory you should add and subtract the b square value. Then these three terms it should becomes as a minus b whole square. Remaining value is this one. And you just now multiply this value. Okay, some students they are taking that minus value taking outside, that is wrong, because if you are having the minus value in the square root, it should not come outside. So that's why you just multiply this value. So this minus a square value becomes positive, this value minus negative. Okay, this value you should be put in a square format and directly substitute the formula. Finally, you are getting the final answer. Okay, so this is our procedure. Like that, we can solve the problems. Okay, here I am doing the problems integration of 1 by square root functions. Okay, now I am taking a square minus x square. Next, I will take a square plus x square. Next, I will take x square minus a square. Okay, mainly three types. 1 by square root of these type of functions. In that three types of function, I am choosing the first one. Okay, in our next class, I will take the a square plus x square. Okay, right, a square plus x square. Okay, integration 1 by square root of that value into dx. Okay, we will prove in our next class. Okay, just refer this and practice these type of problems. Understand? Okay, right. Thank you.